Hi friends, I hope you're having a good spring break. I have Pete the Cat rocking in my school shoes for us. And it is created and illustrated by James Dean, and the story is by Eric Litwin. Cat City School Bus. Pete the Cat rocking in my school shoes. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his four furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete sounds excited to go to school with his shoes on. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Can you think of what room at our school has books on all the walls? See where he's going. The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. What is he reading a book about? It's like there's a dinosaur, maybe a cat or a dog, or maybe a tiny dinosaur. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Where do you think Pete might be? The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. He has milk cartons just like you do. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Take a look. What is Pete eating? Looks like he's got a fish sandwich and some milk. Oh, and some goldfish crackers. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Where do you think he might be? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. Bet you're excited to get back to school soon and go on the playground. There he is on the swing. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. These are all fun things that we do at our school too. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. No checks. Down. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, what do you think he's going to tell Mom? I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes, and I will do it again tomorrow. Sounds like Pete likes to go to school and rock in his school shoes. Because it's all good. Classroom 1, 2, 3. And that is the end of our story. So, I want you to think about some questions you might have for James Dean. Remember, James Dean is the one that created and illustrated the story. Because I am going to put James Dean's address in the comments below, and your family and you can write a letter to James Dean. Maybe you want to ask him some questions or tell him what you thought about his book, Rocking in My School Shoes. Have a good night, friends. Bye.